All right. Hey, YouTube, welcome to the channel. Hey, if you haven't been here before, my name is Jason, and the channel is all about making money online. We find ways to make money in different ways online, mostly affiliate marketing. We do a little bit of trading on the side too, but then we pass that down to you so you can do the same. Most of our series are step by step, so that you can just get in and follow along, and you can start making some money online as well. If you're just getting here and you haven't subscribed yet, we'd sure appreciate it if you would. It helps us keep these videos going. We sure appreciate it. If you like this video, give me a like on it. We are working on a couple of new series. Today, we're going to continue with our daily series of turn $5 into $4,000 a month with Clickbank. Now, this series is something we started as an experiment, and it's been panning out for us. Just to prove that we could make money with a simple copy and paste method. And we also started a new series. It's going to be right here. And this is a new product and a new series that we just started yesterday. So check that out and be sure to ring the bell so that you get notified when those videos come out. It will eventually be up here as soon as I put another video out. It'll be with the other series. So be sure to check that out. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into our Clickbank account and we'll check our stats. See what we got. There we go. All right, there we go. So there's another sale. So that's cool. That is going to be, let me just pull this up. So that's going to be 4 that we've made since we started. So that's good. This is starting to convert pretty well. So every few days we're seeing a sale. Now this one was, let's see. This one was yesterday and $19.24. So this was a good one. And we'll go and see which program that was. But there you can see our earnings have came up. So cool. It's good. So it's working out nicely the way we want it to. And all we're doing here is simple copy and paste. Someone else wrote the emails for us. We went and pulled them. We're just using a emailing system that we were able to buy for basically $1 a day. We get leads dropped in there. And that's all we're using. We're not promoting this social media. We're not promoting this any other way. All we're doing is simple copy and paste. Let me get in here. So let's go check our stats for this period. For basically since we started. So today we're going to be on day 31, actually. And our stats here. So this other sale was, again, this newest promotion that we're running. So all the sales that we've made have been from this second promotion. Now, is that because it's a better promotion, or is it because we're reaching out to more people with this one? I'm not sure, but that's okay. We're making good money off this promotion. So we're very satisfied. And we're just going to continue this. And we're going to see it continue to grow. Also, don't forget, these are going to turn into reoccurring billings for these folks. So as they get billed again, then we're going to get paid again. All right. And most of the recurring billing is higher than the initial. So that's a good thing. So this is how we make passive income. So most of the programs that we run are to get to that passive income point. Now, in affiliate marketing, there's high ticket, there's low ticket, and there's ways to generate passive income also. Now, if we go out there and we just sell one product for $1,500, then we get $1,500 and then that's it, which is great. Now we've done some of that. but what we really like is we like selling subscriptions because they continue to pay us. And if those people keep it for years to come, then we continue to get paid. Every time they pay, we get paid. So this is setting up a more of a lifetime payment plan than just getting paid one or two times. All right, so that's the good thing about some of these with subscriptions. And with network marketing, same thing. It's usually based on a subscription, and you just keep getting paid over and over again because they're mostly on a subscription. And that's what we like to do because that's how we make good money. That's how we get to that, 4,000, 5,000, 10,000 a month. This is how we get there. All right. So our total hops for this offer been 3,500. So that's good. We're getting a lot of traffic still. And of course, we're just adding to that all the time. And then our total here is 77,245. Now we have had 97 hits to our order form at this point. So people actually going through and at least thinking about making a purchase, checking into it. And we've had 4 sales. So our 4 sales are equal $60.33. And as I said, at least the majority of these should turn into reoccurring payments, and then we'll just keep getting paid on these as we go. All right, so let's jump over to our email system. I've got the email brought up and ready to go, just like always. And we're going to jump into our first account. So real quick, mailing system, select all. Just like before, if you haven't seen how to set this up, or if I'm going too fast, you can refer to the videos prior to this because we do some slower. And we go through in more detail. All right, so I'm going to copy our full email, Control C, and come over here and do Control V. And as always, I'm going to get rid of the bold. I'm going to change right here my short code. So Control C, right here, Control V. There we go, comma. And our signature. And then we need to set up our link. There we go. And then what we'll do is copy our link, Control C. And we're going to go see where we can paste it. So right here, click here. There's our link, Control V, and we're all set. We're going to bring that up one size and hit it with a bold. Now we can see if there's any other place we want to put that. Yep, right here. If I click here. So we can also put it right here because they've got it set up for us. So Control V. And then I'm just going to bold that. I'm not going to change the size just because it's part of this sentence. And then I'm going to get rid of this because we don't need it anymore because we're done. We'll hit perfect timing. We'll do one last check. That looks good. And of course, we can just hit the preview. And then you can see here what our email says. You can double check your links. So we can do that here. Make sure it's working right. Yep, goes where it's supposed to. So we're good there. And then you can read through this. You can type it from here if you want to, or you can just get it from the document. All right, so we're going to go ahead and just grab this again. So we'll Control C and then send it. All right, so we're going to duplicate this page and log out and log into our next account. So mailing system, select all, come all the way down. Now highlight, Control V, perfect timing. Go up to subject. We're going to pull our subject from our document. Done. We'll grab our email, Control C, and send. All right, so we'll get this out, and then we'll go to our other tab. So log out, then we'll go to our next account. QB3, mailing system, select all the way down. Control V, perfect timing, up to subject. We'll grab our subject. And then we're going to highlight, Control C, and then we're ready for our next one. And then we're going to hit send. So we'll get that one out. All right, then we'll go to our next tab and log out. And then log back in to number 4. Mailing system, select all the way down. I'm going to highlight, Control V, and paste. Perfect timing. Come back up, grab our subject from our document, Control C, Control V, come back down, highlight, Control C, and send. All right, then we got our other account, actually our last account. So we'll log out, we'll log back in, we'll go to number 5. Mailing system, select all the way down. We'll highlight, Control V, perfect timing. Come back up and we'll grab our subject again, Control C and Control V, and then send. All right, and that is it. So we're done for another day. Now you can see just by doing this, it takes us, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 minutes in the morning to do this. So we've made $60.33, I think is what it was. Now it's going to continue to grow. Now we are paying for these accounts, so we definitely want that to grow because we want to surpass and offset the amount we're paying for these accounts. So we're actually making profit. So we're still working on getting there to profitability, but that's okay. We're making sales. We're getting money in to offset some of that cost. It's exactly what we want, and that's what we want to see. So guys, again, I appreciate you being here. That really is good. Should be enough for today. I mean, it's working good. I'm glad. It was kind of an experiment for us. I'm happy. So, that's a good thing. You guys should give it a shot if you have a little bit of time. The link for MLGS, it will be below this video. The Google Doc with the emails ready to go will be below this video as well. In any of my other series and any of the other opportunities that I work with, all the links are always below the video under more info. You can check them out there. There are some in there that you can take free tours and just kind of look around and see if it's going to be for you. I suggest you do that. And, we'll see you on the next one. Appreciate you being here. Later.